Hi, I'm Ann DeCoco of DeCoco Design. I'm a residential interior designer who specializes in 2-hour design consultations here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm bringing you this little 2-minute tip. And today's tip is about lighting. You can see this is my white fireplace project that we recently finished. We're so happy. We painted that brick white, and you can read about it on my blog. But this is a good example of how important lighting is. Over the fireplace, you can see we have two sources of light. One is the recessed cans up there, and the other is these two cute sconces. So the recessed cans are, of course, on dimmers. It's really easy to install dimmers on everything in your house, no excuses. So look, dimmers make it nice. And let's turn them off and then focus on these really cool sconces, kind of clean and modern. Brushed nickel is the finish we chose, and they're from modernlantern.com. They are LED light bulbs. They dim. Oh, nice. And look, here's the best part. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. You put them anywhere you want. They are battery powered. There it is. They come with an easy pop out. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. A battery pack that you just charge with a charger. Comes with a charger. So those of us who have, look at that. Those of us who have older homes and don't always want to have an electrician come and bang out holes and put in new lighting, but oh, we have so many spots. See, that's what it goes on. So many spots that could use a light. Modern lanterns, battery-powered light fixtures are a great solution, okay? Nothing's more important than lighting in a room. You can have fantastic finishes and colors and everything that makes your heart go ba-boom, and if you don't light it correctly, it's all for naught. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.